Hey, what's going on? Welcome to an episode of The Way I See It. My name is Chris, and today I wanted to make a quick video talking about one of these. This is what we call a Raspberry Pi. It has all the components that are needed to run a fully functional computer. As you can see, it has 4 USBs. These are USB, I think 2.0, and these are like regular USB components. So like these are like kind of faster, higher speed. They didn't put 4 of them in there for whatever reason. Here you have an Ethernet cable, Ethernet jack, so you can actually run in a local area network, or you can run your internet from here. It also has a wireless internet signal in it as well, but you can't really see it from here. But I will make a video if you guys want one. Just leave the comments below. And then here on these sides, this is the audio jack. These are HDMI, mini HDMI ports. So, I'm sorry, yeah, this is mini HDMI ports. So you can put up to 2 different monitors to this particular thing. And it's really nice. And then it has this USB C port that is used for powering the device, you know. And you can get one. This one is like, this version is like, I think from USH. This is a Raspberry 4. This is a Raspberry 4. It also has you can actually have a total of 2 terabytes of a micro USB. This is the storage. Right now I'm having 128 gigabytes of USB storage, of micro USB storage. And I just lost a piece. I'm gonna leave that alone. Anyway, this is another version. This is the same version, but like it has another case. This is just a casing, and this casing just allows you to see everything inside. This is how the USB sits. And one is hooked up to the card, and it's about the size of a credit card. They're about the power. They're growing. The power of like an iPhone 4S. And you know, you can probably get one for about $40 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description to someone's each Raspberry Pi. But the idea that I'm bringing these things up is that they're very good for starting to work with programming. One of the reasons why is that you can use them for virtually anything that you can use on your own computer, your regular desktop computer. It's just that they use a different architecture. And I can go over that in another video in the future. But think about the architecture as like you know, in America, we use English, we use the US dollar, we kind of use the metric system, we use the foot, inches, and yards, right? But then like in London, for example, they'll use English as well, but they also use a different, they use meters, you know, and the metric system, kilometers, you know, stuff like that. And you know, other countries also might have a different language. They have a different currency that they may use. So the architecture is made up of that. So, for example, you can go to different countries and do business in both countries, but you would need some sort of, I guess like I would say a universal translator, you know, which we would kind of talk about like an API, a contract that would talk about how 2 different countries, and I can go in that for, you know, another video. But why I'm bringing this up is that programming could be done relatively easy these days. And if you're trying to teach like multiple people how to code and do things, you know, many people may have a Windows machine, they may have a Mac, they may have a Linux machine, but if everybody can just buy this, and then you can just send each other the images that allows them to run everything online. Or they can use a virtual machine, but this is actually much more fun because there might be people who may not have, you know, they may not be able to do it as well. So you want to make sure everybody can code and can work together in a very easy fashion. You can even hook these up and use your desktop to log into them. So that's called, and use a form of a protocol called SSH. I won't go into that right now, what it actually means, but SSH is like it's a system or an application that is at a lower level that allows you to like log into applications, log into the devices, for example. And I really think that with my business and the idea that I'm looking to kind of get set up is I want to work on getting people to learn how to code, how to collaborate with each other, and have all of the architecture, you know, all the lingo that we use is all in the same country automatically. It's like a different way of speaking, you know. So anyway, I'll leave this for you. You can like and subscribe into this channel. You can send some comments, you know, in the description below, and enjoy.